Hi there fellow travelers, welcome back to the second episode of the Lisbon District series. Today we are exploring the delightful riverside district of Alcântara in Lisbon. Join us as we discover the vibrant streets, historical landmarks, unique art spaces and picturesque marinas that make this district so special. First up is the ALEX factory, an urban regeneration project that transformed a formal industrial complex into a thriving creative hub. The ALEX factory is home to numerous artist studios, galleries and shops, making it the perfect place to start our exploration of Alcântara. Check out this amazing mural, and over here we have a unique concept store selling local artisan products. Don't forget to stop by the Cozy Cafe for a cup of coffee and a delicious Portuguese pastry. Right next to ALEX factory is Village Underground, an innovative co-working space and cultural center made from shipping containers and double-decker buses. This unique space is not only visual striking but also serves as a hub for creativity and collaboration within the Alcântara community. Let's take a look inside one of those double-decker buses. The atmosphere is perfect for fostering creativity, with plenty of natural light and inspiring surroundings. It's easy to see why many artists and entrepreneurs choose to work here. Now let's dive into the history of Lisbon's public transportation at Museu da Carris. This fascinating museum showcases vintage trams, buses and other modes of transportation that have shaped the city over the years. Let's hop on some of these vintage vehicles and take a trip back in time. Look at this old tram and its intricate details. What can you tell about the early days in Lisbon's tram?
Hello, this is the first electric tram of the company of Carris from 1901. Is the beginning of the electric trams, and this is the oldest one we have.
All right, it's very interesting. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Our last stop for today is Jardim, the Tapada das Necessidades, a beautiful park hidden away in the heart of Alcântara with its charming greenhouses, historic chapel and lovely ponds. It's a true hidden gem in Alcântara. And who could resist feeding these adorable ducks? It's just one of the many simple pleasures this park has to offer. And that's a wrap up on a tour of Alcântara. This charming district has so much to offer. Be sure to include Alcântara in your Lisbon travel bucket list. Next week we are uncovering the Alvalade district, so if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more episodes of Lisbon. Until next time, and happy travels. Ciao!